How to change video background in CapCut without green screen. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to change your video background in CapCut without using a green screen. So let's dive into it. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Tap the Start New Project to create a new project. Import the video you want to use as the background. This will be the base layer of your project. The background must be added before the main video. Add the main video as an overlay. To do this, tap on Overlay in the bottom menu bar. Select Add Overlay. Now choose your main video from the gallery. Adjust the size and position of the overlay to fit the background. The Overlay feature allows you to layer videos on top of each other. Remove the background from the main video. Select the main video, the overlay one. Scroll through the bottom bar and tap on Remove Background. Choose Chroma Key. Move the marker to empty space. CapCut processes the removal instantly. This feature automatically removes the background from your video. Preview your video to make sure everything looks smooth. If needed, adjust the position, size, and effects to blend the videos naturally. Once satisfied, tap the Export button in the top right corner. Exporting saves your final edited video in high quality. And that's it. Now you know how to change your video background in CapCut without a green screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.